The array fill method in JavaScript is going to take your array and then fill it up with a provided value. As an example, we'll say numbers.fill and then provide 1. I can console.log numbers here. I can run the script and we see we get 1, 1, 1, 1. So basically, we've taken the array of 4 elements and replaced every value with this one here. Now, this here is fine for primitive values like numbers and booleans, okay? What about objects? Well, it's a bit different. So let's say fill and provide an object with a name property equal to DOM. Let's save this and we can see that now we of course get 4 objects and they all have the name of DOM. But here we actually have a single object spread across all 4 elements in the array. So fill is going to make the object once and then have a reference to it in each of the 4 elements. Okay, this means if I was to say numbers at index 0 dot name is now equal to John instead, you'll see that we get John for all the items. Okay, so a single object was created here, spread across the rest by reference. Now, what you'll also see with array fill is it's used in conjunction with some of this stuff to make a new array of fresh objects. Okay, as an example, we'll say const new, or let's just call this array, equal to, we can use the array function like this to say an array of 5 items. We can then say dot fill. Let's fill that array with just the number 0. It doesn't matter what you put here really, to be honest. We'll just say fill of 0. Then we can say dot map, and then we can just say from this map, we can return a new object. We can say name is DOM, okay? So here we've got an array of 5 zeros. Then we're saying for each of those zeros, let's map, and we're going to return a new object. This function runs for every 0 in the array, which means we get a new object each time. Okay, that's why it's different. Now I can say console.log array, and we can see we of course get those objects, but if I was to say array at index 0 dot name is John, you'll see now that if I run it again, John is only on the first one because these are 5 unique objects instead of 1 shared object. And that is all for this video. If this one helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to Decode. And here is another video.